Do you enjoy taking care of your health? Do you like to care for your skin with DIY masks? Ayurveda has used turmeric, which is also called curcuma or curcumin, for more than 5,000 years. Furthermore, scientific research has shown that turmeric is good for the skin. Curcumin, its primary component, has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, healing, antiseptic, and anti-allergic characteristics. We know a lot about its properties, but you probably don't know how to use it to make yourself look better. Due to this, we will demonstrate 3 turmeric masks in today's video to help you get clear and glossy skin. 1. Turmeric and milk mask. Milk, which is high in lactic acid, works as a natural brightening agent to whiten your skin and give it a soft, flawless appearance. Whole milk is advised if you have dry or mixed skin. However, it's preferable to use skim milk if your skin is oily. Consider the following. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon organic turmeric powder. As much milk as needed. Directions. In a small dish, combine the milk and turmeric powder to make a thick paste that can be applied evenly to your face. Mix thoroughly before using. Apply to your face. Give it 15 to 20 minutes to work on your face before rinsing. Use this mask 3 to 4 times per week. 2. Turmeric and coconut oil mask. Acne and zits can be treated naturally with coconut oil. It is easily absorbed because of the medium-chain fatty acids it contains. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects and can restore the skin's natural equilibrium. Consider the following. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons of natural turmeric powder. Extra virgin coconut oil. Directions. In a bowl, combine the coconut oil and turmeric powder. Stir until the mixture has the right consistency for a skincare mask. After thoroughly combining it, apply it to your face. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes for it to take effect before washing your face with warm water. Do it 2 or 3 times per week. 3. Honey and turmeric face mask. Honey has strong antibacterial properties and has been used in many of the beauty recipes on our channel. It is extremely hydrating and promotes deep healing. This mask is ideal for people with combination skin. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon organic turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of unprocessed honey. Directions. Combine honey and turmeric in a bowl. Stir until the mixture is thick and smooth. Apply it to your face. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for it to take effect before rinsing with warm water. Afterwards, use a soft towel to gently pat dry your skin. Use this mask 2 or 3 times per week. You shouldn't be concerned if the color of the turmeric makes you uncomfortable. If you get stained, you can simply wipe the stains off your skin, nails, and even your clothes. Because it is an antioxidant, turmeric is recommended for people who want to slow down or stop the signs of aging. Isn't that amazing? Have you already tried these recipes? If so, let us know how it turned out, in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.